Good morning, students. Welcome to Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School digital class. Our today's subject for the study is English 1, lesson number 3.2, which is on page number 34, 35, and 36 of your Bal Bharti textbook. Our today's topic is activity time, that is Sakshi's box. In today's lesson, that is 3.2 activity time, we have already learned in our online class. Today we will revise again here in our video. In this lesson, we have to learn how to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Now students, what is alphabetical order? That is the words we have to arrange first which starts from the letter A. After that, respective letters we have to check which word starts from the B, then C, then D. So now these some words are given in our textbook. First we will learn the words and then we will arrange these words here in these lines as per the alphabetical order. What I said just now, have you listened? Let me revise for you. Alphabetical order is the system that gives first word with the starting of the letter A. After that, as per the ABCDEFG, yesterday we sung in our online class, we have to check which word starts from the A, then comes the word which starts from B. Along with this, in the same system, we have to find out the C, D, E, F, G, H, these kind of words starting from the respective letters which come first in line in alphabetical A to Z words, letters. Now, here are the words given. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. This word is starting from the letter M. A-X-E-X starts from A. H-E-N, hen, starts from H. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. The word starts from letter G. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. This word starts from letter P. Few more words are here. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra, starts from Z. B-O-Y, boy, starts from B. D-O-G, dog, the starting letter is D. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. The letter S is the starting letter of this word. Then C-L-O-C-K, clock. Here the word starts from letter C. One more word we got which is starting from the B. What is that? B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. And here is the word starting from F. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Now, in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have to keep these all alphabets in our mind when we are arranging these words here in the numbers. So, the word X will come on the first number because it starts from A. And we have two words starting from B. So, which will be the second word? B-A-L-L-O-O-N. And third is B-O-Y, boy. Why balloon is kept here and boy is here? Because in alphabetical order, first letter is B for both the words. But second letter is here is A, which comes earlier in the alphabets before the O. Now, fourth word is C-L-O-C-K, clock. Then word comes which starts from D. So here it is D-O-G, dog. After D in alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F. But we don't have word from E. So here it will come the word from Letter F. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. After H there is alphabet G. So we will keep here the word garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. After G in alphabets, if you speak, you will come to know it is H. So here the word will come is H-E-N, hen. In alphabets, after H, I, J, K. So we don't have words with I and J. So at the 9 number, the word will come with starting of K, K-I-N-G, king. In this manner, we have arranged all other words like here on the number of 10, it comes mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Then it will come L-M-N-O-P. So from the starting of the P is peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K. After P, it comes Q in the alphabets. And we have word queen, which we have written here. Q-R-S is the line of alphabets. We don't have word with R, so we have kept here the starting with S, that is school. After S, it comes T in alphabets. So we have the word temple for this number. And last alphabet of the ABCD is Z. We also have word Z. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. So students, today we have learned how to arrange words in alphabetical order. You should write all these words together in your in your English notebook, and then you have to write with these numbers, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these numbers you have to keep in your English notebook, and you have to write accordingly these words in your book. Now, here is the actual activity time once we have done. What is the next activity in this lesson? That is painting. How it comes? Let's read the story. Sakshi's box. What the name of the story is? Sakshi's box. Sakshi is a girl you can see in the picture. And what else you are able to see in this picture? One fairy is there and so many papers, colors, brushes and books she is having here with her. So now let's read what she is doing and what is the story. Sakshi. This is the name of this small girl. Sakshi found a big box. She opened it. Where is the box? See, you can see a box in the picture. Sakshi opened the box. There was a fairy and some paints in the box. What she found in the box? She found, when she opened the box, she found a fairy and also some paints in that box. Now what the fairy said to the Sakshi? Let's read. Hello Sakshi, shall we do some painting? Asked the fairy. This fairy asked that we have so many of material for painting, so can you do some painting? Sakshi was happy. What she said? Fairy first gave Sakshi a paintbrush, and then Sakshi was also happy. She said yes. Then first what she did? First they painted with violet and indigo colors. Now student, listen carefully. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet, and I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. These are the name of colors. Sakshi used violet and indigo colors for her starting of the painting. Then they painted with blue and green colors. B-L-U-E, blue, and G-R-E-E-N, green. So fairy and Sakshi together were painting, and they painted after the violet and indigo, they painted in blue and green colors. After that what they did? Let's read. And then they painted with yellow, orange and red colors. Let's read the spelling of these colors to learn. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, and R-E-D, red. So, how many colors she used for the painting? Indigo, violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Let's count the number of colors she used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, do you understand that Sakshi and Fairy together painted in 7 different colors? Now Sakshi said, look at our rainbows. Have you understood, children? These all colors together make a rainbow. In a rainbow there are 7 colors. Which 7 colors? Let me repeat for you. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the name of colors which are there always in a rainbow. So, what Sakshi painted actually? She painted a rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W-S, rainbows. After the painting, Fairy asked something to the Sakshi. What she asked? We will read now. Fairy asked, will your parents like our rainbows? Asked the fairy. Now Sakshi replied. Let's read what she replied. Yes, said Sakshi. My parents will like our rainbow pictures and will say, you have made a beautiful painting. What the parents of Sakshi will say? They will tell her that she has painted a beautiful picture. The fairy smiled and hugged Sakshi. Because of she said that parents will be happy, Fairy also became happy and then she smiled at her and she hugged her. Means what? She took her close and loved her. Now Sakshi said goodbye to the fairy. Now after the reading of this story, you must have feel that you also should do some painting. So students, here is the picture of rainbow. What is rainbow? It's this shape joining two clouds. Have you seen rainbow anytime? You must have seen rainbow when it is raining, and with that raining, little bit of sunlight comes. That time you can see the rainbow in the sky. Here a picture of rainbow is given for you. You have to color the rainbow. And in the story, name of the colors for rainbow are given and we have studied them. Now we know the colors of rainbow which we have to use. So students, you color this rainbow in your textbook. You can draw in your notebook a big rainbow and then also you can color the rainbow. Now here is one exercise for you to solve. Write the name of the colors of the rainbow. See students, in last page we have we have read all the names of the colors which comes in the rainbow. So all that 7 colors name you have to write here in these lines. Now let's discuss something. Here are the questions. Answer the following. First question is, have you seen a rainbow? Students, have you seen any time rainbow? Remember that, try to remember and then answer in your notebook. Second question, do you like to paint? I also know every child likes to paint, isn't it? You have to say yes or no in your notebook. And what is your favorite color? Students, write the name of your favorite color as a answer of this third question. You have to write in your notebook. Mine is pink. Which is your favorite color? Think and then write in your book. Now one more exercise you have to try in your English notebook. Frame the sentences using the words given below. Here one is done for you. The word given is big and the sentence made is I saw a big blue balloon. In the same way, you have to make a sentence using like and fairy. One is suggestion for you, but I will just say it orally. You have to make one another sentence at your own and you have to write in your notebook. Using like, I can make a sentence like I like to talk with my students. The next word is fairy. I have told you a story of fairy and a girl. These are the sentences I have given to you as an example. You have to make your own sentences for this. Now coming to the next picture. Here is one activity for you. One is solved by me for you and one more is given to you that you should solve at your own. Let's see which are the activities. This one is put the following letters in alphabetical order. Just now in this video we have learned how to arrange the words. Here is the simple exercise that letters you have to arrange in alphabetical order. That means in A to Z letters, the letter which comes first we have to write here. And among these letters we have to arrange. So these are the letters that W, N, M, V, X and U. So first you have to say all the letters, then you can come to know that in ABCD up to Z, M come first, then N, U, V, W and X. And now here is the missing letters. Fill in the blanks with the missing letters in alphabetical order. So what you have to do is, starting from the letter V, you have to remember other letters which comes before Z. In the same way, you have to solve all these 4 letters exercises for the missing letters. Now students, after this video, you will get some assignments to work on this lesson. So first you have to learn this video carefully. You have to revise the lesson from your textbook also and from the video also. And then you have to solve the given exercises with this video, and in worksheets we will send you on our school group. So learn hard and enjoy the story and enjoy the painting. Thank you students.